What's happening, my YouTube folk, my YouTube people, what's going on? Today we got a cloudy, rainy day, so I'm going to be doing a few mods. It's gonna be all about the interior of the car today, sound system wise, you know what I'm saying? So before y'all go ahead and do anything, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, share, do whatever you gotta do. Help your boy out, and let's see what we got popping today. This is what I got here today. I got these Kicker speakers, 6x9s. I'm gonna put in the rear deck and in the doors. I don't know too much about them, but I was watching YouTube. This dude said he put them in his. He liked it. From the video, it sounded good. So I was like, shit, why not? Let me go ahead and try it. See what's up. And so that's what I'm about to put in here, and we'll see how it sounds. It's kind of dark in here, but as y'all know, in order to do this, you got to take off this rear deck right here. See, I got a few extra screws that hold in my subwoofer box, but I got those that I got to take out, those little ones. And I got that clip. And then, of course, you know, you got to take out these side panels here. It's just a little clip behind those, you know. And then once that come out, this should slide. It should slide out. So let's go ahead and get that cracking. All right, so I went ahead and took all that stuff off. Had a little mishap. Thought the camera was recording, and it didn't. So didn't get the chance to see me taking all that stuff out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pull this back part out. That part's out, as you can see. Here's everything I need to get access to. These them cheap ass speakers I'm about to take out. Right there. Alright, so when taking this off, y'all make sure y'all don't break this clip. Well, I just broke mine. Good thing for JB Weld, so I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit. But as you know, you gotta take off these bolts. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and there's one way in the back. But you gotta take those out because the speakers are screwed in from the top. And then once you take those out, you go ahead and put in the new ones. So this is the trash Alpine that they say is Alpine, but really ain't. Don't say Alpine on it nowhere. This is a new joint. See the magnet on that versus the magnet on that. So let's get it in there. All right, so I got the back ones in. Had a little mishap with my speakers the magnet being too big, and it would hit my speaker box. But if I do the doors now, everybody knows that you gotta take these clips off right here, under here, the screws under here. You gotta take these screws off, and then there's some clips in the doors. But I think I'm not gonna do the ones up here. I'm gonna just do this one and pull out the clips and take the door halfway off to get it out, because I hate dealing with this part up here because I can never get that shit back on right. So I'm about to go ahead and start that now. And everything's put back together. Now we just got to see how everything sounds. So let's go ahead.
Yay. Say with my boo-bay tastes like too late for the analyst. Girl, I can buy a Westie girl with my base stuff. With that pussy good, what you say that on my taste buds. I get way too petty, won't you let me with the extras? Pull up on your block and break it down, we play Tetris. AM to the PM, PM to the AM phone. This I'm your per diem, you just gotta hate them phone.
Yeah, I think I'm liking it. Let's hear how it sounds outside the car.
Bitch, sit down, little bitch, me I'm old. Sit down. Who that nigga thinking that he frontin' on me? Get the fuck off my stage, I'm the same. Get the fuck off my dick, that ain't right. I make a play, fucking up your whole life. I'm so fucking sick and tired of the Photoshop. Show me something natural and never wrong with your back. Show me something natural and ass with some stretch marks. Still a thing you got right on your wall.
So speakers and everything is done, everything hooked up, everything installed. I'm really happy with the results. They sound good. They hit pretty good. It's real clear. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link to where I got the speakers down in the description. And yeah, go ahead and make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't. If you don't, let me know why. Maybe I can improve on it, you know what I'm saying? But thank y'all for tuning in. Get at me next week for swag too, you know what I'm saying?